Hello everybody, I'm doing another stuffing video. I got paid from Etsy. So, I did do a little bit of shopping and get some stuff for the business. I was going to have 20 for the business, now I have 12. I have some change I had left that we will put in the bank. It's 51 cents. Not a huge amount. But all the money that goes into that bank gets put in the girls' account. Today I had $136. The bank didn't put them in the amount that I wanted, but I'll do with what I have. So we have 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 10, 15, 20, 25, 26, 27, 28. I'm going to be stuffing my business envelope today, my Yule Christmas envelope, my daughter's savings fund, winter and fall, summer and shoes, or yeah, it's already summer, fall and winter clothes, Hulu and Prime, which they only need $1 more, and I just left that in my account for this month. So I'm just going to save that and add $1 for next month. And then my debt envelope will be stuffed some. My laptop envelope will be stuffed some. Our van tires will also get stuffed. Columbia Gas will also get stuffed. And Disney Vacation will also get stuffed. I had it all worked out with the bill assortment that I wanted, but the lady did not give me said funds the way I wanted. And I just came home and said, we'll stuff it like this. It'll all work out perfectly fine, and we will get it done. I'm going to start by doing the most important things first. The Christmas fund, definitely important. And I forgot to take this 20 out. My husband gave me an extra 20 to put in our funds, which will be this. It'll go right here. The Disney isn't important. The gas bill is. New tires are. Shoes definitely are. And the rest will be stuffed with whatever is left. Now, we're going to do Christmas fund first. My husband put in 20. And I am going to put in 10. So, for our Christmas fund, we have 20. Sorry. Drives me crazy when bills aren't in order. And I was just messing with them. 20, 30, 35, $36. And our holiday is December 22nd. Or 21st, depending on when winter solstice falls on. But yes. And then the clothes for the girls, I'm going to put 5 in this week. So we have 5, 10, 11 for this week. I stuffed last week too. You can see my other video and my playlists. For the van, we are going to put 20 for tires because it's kind of important and it's already almost the middle of September. And you need good tires in the snow because Ohio has beautiful weather in the snow. We have $25, $26, 25, 20, 25, 26, and we need 100 plus tax. So probably like 115, 120 I'd be happy with. We're going to stuff these, I hope, every week to help get that done. Columbia Gas is 110. So we're going to put 20 and 5. So we have 20, 25, 30, 31 for our Columbia gas. It's $110 and it's due on the 26th, so I still have time to get the rest of that in there. My business is going to get the 13. Well, it'll get 5, 6, 7, 8. I don't care, to be honest. I got what I need. This I'm saving up to make Christmas decorations and whatnot to put on my Etsy shop. So I can be happy with that. We have 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, $14 in my business account. This will go towards like labels if I need them, or stickers, thank you stickers, whatever I want. Let's do the last 4 envelopes, and I have 3 20s left, so we will do our debt. We have $22.10, or 20, 21, 22. Later I might go get smaller bills, and wow guys, you fell. Sorry about that. Let's try this some more. I might go get smaller bills and add some, or just wait and do those next month, whatever. And then for my laptop, I'm definitely putting 20 in because I need a laptop. We bought this stupid thing at Five Below, and it does not want to stay where I want it to be. It likes to annoy me. Everybody's, oh, go get one. They're awesome. No, they're really not. They suck. But my laptop will have $22 in it. Not bad. The laptop I want to get is $154. So, yeah. And then I have to decide if I want to do... The Girl Spun's already put some in this week. So we are going to do my laptop. And as you can see, we have $26. The laptop I want is $154. So about $200. We'll get it paid for. So I got a while, but it'll be fine. So the only thing we didn't get to stuff this week is the Girl Spuns. But as I said, I already put $10 in their bank account. So they're good. I don't feel bad about that. Not really. I didn't get Disney this week. But it'll be okay. I'm trying to decide if I want to... I'm going to be holding a contest until we reach 1,000 subscribers. I'm really trying to become a paid YouTuber, so I need 1,000 subscribers. So I'm going to offer up... Watch. It does work. If the battery's dead, it's dead. But I'm offering up that watch and some of my soaps for you guys to help me grow my channel, because it's very important to me that we grow. But we did get a good amount funded this week. Everything but Disney and Hulu got money, which is awesome. Now had the bank lady tell her did what I wanted, we would have had everything stuffed this week. But it's life. I'm going to sell some stuff around here, and I might have another video coming up soon of stuffing. I'm going through stuff. I call it fall cleaning. I do spring and fall cleaning. Whatever. But I'm going to have a craft video that I'm going to do for you guys. Actually, it's going to be a few things on there. And I'm getting new pictures of my soap and my products. These are freaking adorable. So I got those to help take pictures. I got some pretty great stuff, guys. So check out my other videos. I do have another budgeting video on here. It's 2 minutes long. It's quick and easy. But it was only $52. So, yeah. Don't mind my husband's blanket back there. I'm doing this in my bedroom because it's the only quiet place in this whole house. Because my infant and my toddler, they like to scream a lot. So, there's that. And I have some great ideas for these little bottles. Watch my next video I post later this evening because I'm doing those now. They take a couple hours, but I'm so excited. But that's all I got for you guys this time. So feel free to watch my other videos. And once this hits $10, I deposit into the girls' bank account. And we are at $3.58. Or $3.28 right now. So we're getting there. We already deposited what we've collected this whole year. And it was $120 almost. So, yeah, we had this whole thing filled to the top. We split it equally between the girls. And we added a few extra dollars. That way, they each have about $68 in their bank accounts right now. Because of that jug. So, I'm hoping we can fill it up again before the end of the year. Deposit it into their bank accounts. But we'll just have to see how that goes. And catch you on my next video. Please like, subscribe, and share my videos. We're going to get this thing going. We're going to do awesome. Thanks. Have a good evening.